In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play against bots here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 so that you can practice your aim or test out different weapons. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you do load into Black Ops 7 and you just want to warm up against bots, all you need to do is actually just go to the bottom left and select find a match. And from here, go all the way down and select private match down at the bottom. Choose create a private match up at the top, and this is going to bring you to the setup screen, which is going to be where you can customize everything. You can go ahead and change the game mode. Like, for example, let's just put it on team deathmatch, for example. You can pick any map you want. For example, we'll go ahead and put it on hijacked for now. But to actually add bots, go to this right side, and if you want bots on your team, go ahead and select your team right here and just select it, and then you'll have an option to add bots with the specific amount. Like, for example, we'll do 5 bots right here on difficulty of hardened, and then hit confirm, and then go to the next team and add even more bots as well on whatever difficulty you would like. As you can see, we pretty much have a full lobby right here. You can add up to 11 bots and set their difficulty in each of those settings. Whenever you're happy, just go ahead and hit start match up in the top left. And whenever you load in, you can open up the scoreboard and you'll see that those bots are listed on the enemy team or on your team as well. Just run around the map, fight them like regular players, and that is it. That is how you can add bots here in Black Ops 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.